Hi there, my name is Ramon Gil, and I'm the organizer of the Comic Arts Workshop, an online community of creators who get access to weekly lessons on how to be a better comic book creator, as well as live classes and weekly working sessions, virtual bullpens we call them, where you kind of get to work alongside each other and sort of like just banter and chat. But basically, it's a community plus lessons and exercises. There's also access to the blog, access to interviews with people in the industry, um, and other special perks being a member. But basically, it's a community. So if you want to be with other people who want to make comics, especially people who are already working, who not necessarily want to be part of Marvel or DC, but just want to make comics or graphic novels, especially. This is for you. These are for the people who just have a story to tell and need to get it out of their system and want to be with other people who feel the same way. So that's a Comic Arts Workshop. We hope you'll join us. Enrollment opens again in January. We go by semester because the lessons are in sequence. However, you do get to a lot of them pre-recorded, so you can take it at your own pace. So, anyways, I hope you'll join us. The Comic Arts Workshop. Details are on the link below. Take care. Bye bye.